Magnificent Mouse family with our friend Adia, and we are back with another magnificent video. Let's go guys. We have a great video today. So the kids wanted to make some slime, and I found a fantastic video with some ingredients on how you can make edible slime
that you can eat.
Yes. So guys, today we're going to be making edible slime, and we have two different ones. So guys, let's show them what we have. What's the first slime, Grayson, that we are going to do? Which one do you want to show them? Marshmallows.
Yeah, show them marshmallows.
Show them what marshmallows we have.
We have the big marshmallows, and you can show them the big marshmallows.
And we have big marshmallows and little marshmallows. All right. And we're going to mix some ingredients with that. And then Genesis, what is the second slime going to be made with?
The second slime is going to be made with gummy bears.
Gummy bears! Yay!
I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. Oh yeah, gummy bear.
All right, guys, let's get started. Okay, so first, what we have to do is we have to melt the marshmallows and the gummies. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to show you how we do that. All right, guys, so we have the gummy bears melting in the pot here. We also have the marshmallows melting. As you can see, the steam coming up. So stay tuned. Once it's melted all the way down, then we will go ahead and mix it together with our other ingredients, which is our powdered sugar and arrowroot powder starch. Let's go. So excited. All right, guys, just a little touch up look at the gummy bears. They are pretty much melted. We're about to take them off, and the marshmallows are almost there. Who wants to lick the spoon?
Me.
Yeah.
Me.
Okay. All of y'all can lick the spoon here. All right, now pass it on. Lick the other side, Grayson. All right, I'm gonna have to rinse it for Ade. Rinse it. All right, guys, so we are back, and we have our first batch of gummies that we are going to use to make the gummy slime. So now, what we're going to do is add the powdered sugar and the arrowroot starch. 2 tablespoons of each. And guys, if you're interested, we will have this recipe right in the description, so make sure you go and check out that link. All right,
Down below. Right here.
Right there. And oh yeah, guys, definitely make sure you what? Subscribe to the Magnificent Mom Family channel,
so we can get 1,000 subscribers.
Yes,
Let's
we're working
go.
on our subscribers. And also make sure you like and hit the share button or hit the notifications button so you can always stay up to date. All right, Jenny, get to mixing. Come on, Grayson, your turn. Hold it. Hold it. Mix it like dough. Mix it like dough.
Mix it like dough.
Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it.
That's hot.
Is it too hot?
No.
Okay, if it's too hot, be careful. We let it sit. Yeah, definitely, guys, if you're making this, make sure you let the mixture sit before you start mixing. Okay, wait, Grayson. Let me get
Look,
you
guys.
Yeah, keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. We mix it real good like dough. We mix it over and over and over. I'll let you know. All right, keep mixing. Yeah. All right. We got that. Now go ahead and mix. Mix, mix, mix. Keep mixing.
Put both of your hands in there. Get to it. It's hot.
You can blow it. Mix it in there. All right, the marshmallow mixture is almost ready. Y'all keep mixing.
Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. It is sticky. Yep.
Yeah, mix it all together. Make sure all the powders are mixed in so you can see the powder. So keep mixing until You don't see the powder.
What? Why did the gummy slime turn out green? Because all of them mixed together.
All of them mixed together, yeah.
So it mixed together with green, huh? Yeah.
Yeah. Keep mixing until all the powder is gone.
Okay. My hands.
And hey guys, what do you guys think about mixing the marshmallows in it together?
Very, 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 very sticky.
Very sticky and sweet, but do y'all want to do it together?
No.
No!
Yeah.
That'll be fun! Yes, let's mix it together.
No, I don't want to.
It'll be more of a consistency.
Oh my god.
Hey, not happy. My fingers.
Look at that. Show them, guys. What the slime looking like. Is it really? Is it good?
Wow. Look at that. Alright, this is mixing slime right now. He's mixing. It's still not making slime on mine. Mine is different.
All right. The marshmallows are ready.
No. I'm ready. Alright, so we're going to taste. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, no.
What does it taste like?
Very, very, very gummy and sugary.
Let me see.
Taste that. I think it's like
I like it. I like it, y'all. So,
oh no, because I've been mixing together.
let's try to add the marshmallows.
Help me! Look how slimy it is! It's stuck to my hand.
All right, guys. So now it's time to add the marshmallows.
No.
Let's see here.
It's sticky!
Oh yeah,
Look
it's
at
going to
me!
be sticky because it's what?
Slime!
And slime is sticky. So now, let's add the marshmallows. All right, here we go.
It's so sticky. I can't get my... Sticky. I
Be
can't...
careful. Back up. Let me add the marshmallows.
My hands
Here we
are
go.
stuck. My hands are stuck. My hands are stuck. My hands are really stuck, Jenny. I can't...
Okay.
I can't put my hands are stuck. Wait, can we mix
Okay.
it?
Yes. Start mixing.
Oh.
Start mixing. Marshmallows.
Oh no.
All right. Start mixing.
Oh, it's so
Here we
hot.
go. Woo!
Hot.
Marshmallows.
It's kind of making it unstick from my hands.
Start mixing. Start mixing.
Oh, that's hot. Oh, look at that.
Blow it. Blow it. Wow, look at that. Show them. Show them what you're... Look at the slime with the marshmallow. Cool. What you got, Jenny? How's it working?
Good.
Good. Come on, you got to use it like dough, like bread. You want some more marshmallows?
No, it's hot.
It's too hot. All right, now I think it's time for the wheel. Who's ready to spin the wheel? All right. So, who wants to go first?
Me.
No, rock paper scissors.
How it up?
No,
Bruh.
your hands are too nasty. I'm gonna do it. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I go first. Okay, I'm gonna spin it for you because your hands are too nasty. You ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. What'd you get?
Red sprinkles.
All right, guys. So she gets to add red sprinkles to her slime, and I'll do it for them since their hands are so sticky. All right, here we go. 1 scoop of red sprinkles. Put your slime down. Put your slime down. That's okay. Here. Mix it. All right, and Genesis, since you're next, it's your turn. Let's spin the wheel. Watch out for the wheel. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello.
What'd you get, Jenny?
I got no add-on.
No add-ons.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, guess what? You You get to spin again. Let's go. What'd you get?
Purple sprinkles.
Purple sprinkles. Let's go. All right. Keep mixing. How's it coming, Adi?
Really, really good, but put it on the nail sticker.
Genesis gets the pretty purple sprinkles.
Okay,
Put it down. Put your hands in the bowl. Put your hands in the bowl. There you go. All right. And now it's Grayson's turn.
let's go.
Let's go. What'd you get?
White sprinkles.
White sprinkles. All
I
right.
can't get it off of me.
Just mix it.
It's stuck to my
Yeah,
bowl.
you keep it
It's
still.
stuck to my hand.
Keep it still. All right. Now, Grayson got the nice white sprinkles. Put your hands in. Put your hands down. Here we go. All right, Adi. Y'all get to spin. One more time to pick your add-ons. Here we go. What'd you get?
Red sprinkles
Again. Okay, let's do it again. What'd you get?
No add-on.
No add-ons. You get to spin again.
Oh my gosh.
What'd you get?
No add-on.
Seriously.
Bruh.
No add-on. I think the future's telling me no, don't.
Yeah, she don't need any more sugar.
Blue
Blue
sprinkles.
sprinkles. Let's go. All right. Adi gets the blue sprinkles. Ready? All right. Keep mixing. Keep
I
mixing.
got peppermint.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
It's my turn.
It's Jenny's turn. Yes. Sorry, we're going in the row. What'd you get, Jenny?
White sprinkles.
White sprinkles. Let's go. Here we go.
Put my hand in the bowl.
Put your hand in the bowl. White sprinkles. All right. Let's see how the slime looks. You don't have to mix it so much. Just be very gentle. That way it won't get so sticky.
Ew.
Grayson, what'd you get?
White sprinkles.
You already have white sprinkles again.
Purple sprinkles.
Purple sprinkles. Let's
Yay.
go. All right.
What should I got?
So, purple sprinkles. And the last time, let's go for the last and final round, and we'll see how the slime comes out. Adi, actually, we'll start back with Grayson. Grayson, you get to go again.
Yay! Googly eyes.
Googly eyes. Woo! Guess I get some googly eyes.
They're
Let's
edible.
go.
Don't worry. They're edible.
Yes, everything is edible, guys. All right, Jenny turn. What you get, Jennifer?
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. Let's go. All right. Put your hands in there. Put your hands in there. And mix it all up. Yes. And the last one. Adi, let's see what you get.
Blue sprinkles.
Blue
again.
sprinkles again. Let's try it again.
No add-on.
No add-ons again.
Purple sprinkles.
Purple sprinkles. Let's go. All right. Here you go.
Oh, it's already,
Yes.
it's already slime
Woo!
right now.
All right, guys. So, no one got the beautiful rainbow candies. These are really cute, guys. Look at there. Ooh, rainbow candy. But we'll add them later. All right. So, mix them up. Let's show the people
This is
how
my,
your slime came out.
this is my slime. All my slime
Oh,
came
keep-
on
keep
my. All
your
my
nose shut.
slime is like this. It's like
Yes, let's show them. Hold on. Let me see. Let me see. Let me get a close up.
the googly eyes are right here.
All right, Grayson, how's your slime? Let's see.
Was it done?
Yes, it's done. You can eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Eat it.
Mmm, yummy. All right, Genesis, how's yours? Come on, what you got?
Good.
Woo! Look at that slime, guys. All right, eat it. Eat it. Mmm. Yum. Oh, Genesis, yours is changing color a little bit. Cool. All right, and Adi, how'd yours come out? Wow! Look at that. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Mm. All right, guys. Great job. Great job. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure, again, you give it a like, give us a thumbs up. We enjoyed having fun making edible. You can actually eat this slime. Can you believe it? Awesome. Try this at home. Let us know in the comments how you like it. If you're going to try it, and don't forget, the recipe is in the links. Always remember, you have the power and authority to make it magnificent. No matter what you're going through in life, make it magnificent. We're out. Peace.
Mama.
So the kids think they're gonna eat sugary edible slime without having their health kick? Not in this house. Uniform. Watch this. Hey guys, I got something for you. You ate all that sugar. Now it's time to take your super green.
Oh no!
Perfect.